0.8 plus 1 upon 2 plus 3 upon 5. How do you add these with decimal as well as fraction? So first we will convert this decimal into fraction. 0.8 means we have to remove the decimal and it will be upon 10, because there is one digit after decimal, so it will be 10 and 1 for the decimal. Then plus 1 upon 2 plus 3 upon 5. Now we can reduce this 8 upon 10 fraction by dividing both numerator and denominator by the same number. If we divide both numerator and denominator by 2, it will be 4 upon 5 plus 1 upon 2 plus 3 upon 5. Now all these three fractions have different denominators. So we have to find a common denominator. Finding common denominator means that we have to find the least common multiple, LCM, or least common denominator. These have the same denominators, 5 and 5. 2 is different. So we have to find one number which are multiples of 5 and 2, which is the smallest also and which is common also. We will list the multiples of 5. So it is 5, 10, 15, and then list the multiple of 2. It is 2, 4, 8, 10, and so on. We can keep going, but you can see that 10 is the smallest number which is common in 5 and 2's multiple. So the least common multiple will be 10. Also, another way to find the least common multiple for such numbers which are prime numbers, because 5 and 2 are prime numbers, they do not have any other factors other than 1 and themselves. We multiply these two numbers. So 5 times 2 is 10. So 10 will be the least common denominator. So we write 10 here. Now we divide this least common multiple or denominator by the denominators of the fractions. So 10 divided by 5 is 2, and then we multiply with the numerator. So 2 times 4 is 8. Write 8 here. Then plus, again 10 divided by 2 is 5, and 5 multiplied to 1 is 5, plus 10 divided by 5 is 2, and 2 times 3 is 6. Now we can add here. It is 19 upon 10. You can convert it into mixed fraction. It will be 1, 1, 9 upon 10. There is another method that we can use, and in that also we are going to use the concept of common denominators, because that's the way we have to solve the fractions. So we have 4 upon 5 plus 1 upon 2 plus 3 upon 5. Now each of the denominators, each of the fractions, we will convert the denominators. So for 4 upon 5, if we multiply both numerator and denominator, it will be 8 upon 10. 1 upon 2, we have to get 10 as the common denominator. So we multiply both numerator and denominator by 5. So it will be 5 upon 10. And for 3 upon 5, how much you need to multiply? It will be 2. So it is 6 upon 10. Now we can add 8 upon 10 plus 5 upon 10 plus 6 upon 10. They have the same denominator, so we can write simply like this: 8 plus 5 plus 6, it is equal to 19 upon 10. So you can use any of these two methods. Which method did you like more? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.